everyone and welcome to HNS Twins channel. If you like video, press like, share and subscribe. This is going to be Unit 5 Grammar. Lesson 2 Pronouns. Today we will talk about pronouns. Are you ready?
Yes.
Let's go. Our pronouns for today are I, he, she, it, they, we, and you. Okay, let's learn about them. First, when I talk about myself, I say I. I say I. I am Noor. I am Noor. When I talk about myself, I say I. Repeat again. I. Very good. Now we learn that when I talk about myself, I say I. Excellent. Okay. What can you see here?
Girl,
And here?
boy.
Okay. This is girl and this is boy. Okay? When I talk about girl, I say she. When I talk about boy, I say he. Okay? When I talk about girl, I say she. When I talk about boy, I say he. Very good. So, he is for boy. He is for boy. He is for boy. Okay, now, what is he doing? He is reading. He is reading. When I talk about boy, I say he. Now, what is he doing? He is reading. He is reading. He is for boy. Excellent. Now, another example. What is he doing? This boy, what is he doing? He is drinking. He is
Drinking.
okay. When I talk about boy, I say he. He is for boy.
He is for boy.
He is for boy.
He
Is for boy.
is for boy.
Very good. He is drinking. What is he doing? He is drinking. So we use he when I talk about boy. When I talk about boy. Very good. Now, when I talk about girl, I say she. Okay, when I talk about girl, I say she. What is she doing here? What is she doing here? She is eating. She is eating. When I talk about girl, I say she. She is for girl. She is for girl. She is for girl. She is eating. She is eating. Okay? Now, another example. What is she doing? She is drinking. She is drinking. When I talk about girl, I say she. Very good. Now, she is for girl. Excellent. She is for girl. Okay, she is drinking. Okay, here. When I talk about something, plants, trees, I use at,
It.
at,
It.
at.
It.
When I talk about trees, plants, flowers like this, I use at.
It.
At.
It.
It is a flower. It's a flower.
It. Flower.
It's a flower. So when I talk about plants, I say it. It's a flower.
It.
It's a flower.
It.
Okay, very good. Okay. Another example. When I talk about non-living things, I use it. I use
It.
it. What is this? It's a table. It's a table.
It's a table.
So when I talk about non-living things, I say it. Like table, chairs, anything non-living, when I talk about it, I use it. I use
It.
it. It's a table. It's a table. Excellent. What else we have? Okay, when I talk about animals or birds, I say it. When I talk about animals or birds, I also say it. It's a butterfly. It's a butterfly. So when I talk about animals or birds, I say it.
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 Very good. It's butterfly. Okay? Very nice. Now, when I talk about more than one person, I'll use they. I use they. When I talk about more than one person, here, can I use for the girl she?
No.
Can I use for the boy he?
No.
Because they are two. How many are they?
Two.
Two. How many? Very good. Now, so I use they when I talk about more than one person, more than one person, and they are absent. They, I use they when I talk about more than one person. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, repeat. They.
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 Okay. They are eating. They are eating. What are they doing? They are
Eating.
eating. Excellent. Okay, I use they. When I talk about more than one object, I say they. They.
They.
When I talk about more than one object, I say they.
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 They are
Flowers.
butterflies. They are butterflies. They are
Butterflies.
okay. I say they when they are more than one object. Okay?
Okay.
I say they.
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 Okay. They are butterflies. Now, how many persons in this picture? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. When we talk about ourselves, can I say I?
No.
We'll say we. We'll
We.
say
We.
we. When we want to talk about ourselves, we use we.
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 Okay. Can I use I?
No.
Yeah, because we are more than one. We'll say we are friends. We are
Friends.
friends. We are
Friends.
friends. Excellent. So when we want to talk about ourselves, we say we.
We.
We are friends.
We are friends.
Very good. We.
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 Very good. Now, when I want to talk to someone in front of me, I say you.
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 Very good. When I want to talk to someone in front of me, I say you.
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 Okay. They are pronouns for today. You are Ali. You are Ali.
You are Ali.
Yeah. This boy, talk to this boy and say, you are Ali.
You are Ali.
So when I want to talk to someone in front of me, I say, you are Ali. You. I say,
You.
very good. Now we finish our pronouns for today. I'll say to you, goodbye.
Goodbye.